Hi guys, welcome back to Clean Eating Kitchen. I'm Carrie and this is where I share easy real food recipes to help you feel great. Today I'm sharing a new kind of video for me that I'm calling Cook With Me, and I'm making 3 easy Instant Pot Whole30 recipes. So Whole30 is a special kind of diet where it's gluten-free and dairy-free and legume-free, and it's really meant to help reduce the amount of food intolerances that you might have, and it's really a great way to help manage your weight and feel better. There are also no sugars allowed on Whole30. So I'm making 3 easy Instant Pot dinners that are perfect for Whole30 or for paleo type diet, and so I really hope that you like these recipes. And if you like this type of video, please consider subscribing to my channel. This Whole30 Easy Beef Chili is one of my favorite recipes, and my husband loves it too. So to make this easy chili recipe, I just chopped up a bunch of carrots and celery, which is what I had on hand at the end of a week where I hadn't really been shopping. And then I also chopped up a few shallots. You can also use onions. And then I decided to saute the shallots first in a little bit of avocado oil just to give them more flavor. And then after the shallots cook just a little bit, I added 2 pounds of grass-fed ground meat, and I also browned that for a few minutes with the shallots. And again, it's really just to add a little bit more flavor to the chili overall. Next, I added some seasonings, including some dried garlic, some dried oregano, and some pepper, some dried chili pepper. And then I added the chopped vegetables and gave it all a good stir. I added 1 cup of reduced sodium vegetable broth and a can of chopped tomatoes. And then I just stirred it all up, popped on the lid, and cooked the chili for 8 minutes. When it was done cooking, I let it come down naturally for about 10 minutes and then removed the lid and served the chili just right out of the pot. And you can also serve it with some chopped green onions. Next up for my Instant Pot whole chicken and vegetables meal, I again started with some carrots and potatoes and just chopped those up. And the carrots and potatoes will go on the bottom of the Instant Pot instead of the trivet. And then the chicken will sit right on top. And I used a whole chicken. I put just some halved lemons inside to give it more flavor. And you can do up to about a 5-pound chicken will fit into a 6-quart Instant Pot. I did add 1 cup of vegetable broth to help bring the whole thing up to pressure. And I put some salt and some dried rosemary on top of the chicken. And then I cooked the whole chicken for about 25 to 30 minutes is adequate to get the chicken cooked through. And if you want some ideas on how to brown the skin and get it nice and crispy, you can check the recipe link in the description box, and I have some ideas for how to do that. Otherwise, you can just serve the chicken cooked with the vegetables. I also like to slice it and serve it with salad, or shred it and serve it in different ways throughout the week. But this makes a really nice dinner or a lunch meal. It is so easy. And then for my third meal, I made Instant Pot wild-caught salmon with vegetables. Now for this recipe, it's really amazing because you don't have to defrost the salmon. You just use frozen salmon. So I just removed it from the packaging. And of course, you probably know it's really important to use wild-caught salmon. And then I used, again, some vegetables that I just had on hand. And I used this steamer pot. This was the first time I used this pot. But it's better than using the trivet. Otherwise, the small pieces of potato and carrots that I used would have fallen through to the bottom, which is fine. But this way, it keeps them from getting too soggy. And you do need to cut the potatoes fairly small so they will get cooked through with the salmon, which I placed on top. And you only need to cook the salmon for 4 minutes. So I did add 1 cup of vegetable broth and then popped on the lid, and then you don't even need to let the pressure come down. You actually need to remove the pressure after the 4 minutes so the salmon doesn't get overcooked. and then I just served it out of the pot. I would have added some ghee on top to add extra flavor, but I could not get the bottle of ghee open, which was really frustrating. So I ended up just serving it with some fresh lemon, and that was fine. You can also add some tahini if you want some more flavor. You can serve this with a salad, but it's a really great meal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this cook with me type video. If you did, please leave me a comment, and also let me know if you'd like to see more Whole30 recipes on my channel. Check out my video for my Instant Pot chicken cacciatore. That's another easy Instant Pot Whole30 meal, and I'll see you in the next video.